The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by the Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore. 3 days of deals that build homes is coming up on Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday, and it's where you can shop till you drop at the Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore. Carlos Garcia, Lake Creek store manager, is here to tell us more. So Carlos, let's start with folks who may not be familiar with the ReStore. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so the ReStore is a thrift store. We sell new stuff, usually used stuff, and gently used appliances, furniture, building materials, also, and a whole lot more. But the best is that you can get it at a great price.
Absolutely, and there are some things from really nice places like Crate Barrel 2, that sort of thing, that are just out of the box, fresh,
Yes.
brand new.
Correct, new stuff. It comes daily.
So you have this big event coming up called the 3 Days of Deals That Build Homes. Tell me a little bit about this and what shoppers can look forward to.
Yes, excited to tell you we have Black Friday on November the 28th, which you'll have 10% off of anything in the store. Then we got the small business free tote bag with any purchase that you do in store.
And then what about for Cyber Monday?
So we got December the 1st, you'll get 10% off. Go to the website and then you get 10% off.
Okay, lots of great deals coming up. For people who want to support the mission in another way, but maybe can't make it in to do any shopping, how can they donate to ReStore?
So you can go to any of our 3 locations in Austin, Texas. South Austin, Texas. We got the North store, and then we also got the San Marcos store, and then you can go to the online also.
Yeah, the fact that you guys update items online, I think is really cool. Tell me a little bit about what we can see when we walk through the doors.
So you'll see a lot of great values on a new product. We also get it donated, slightly donated. They look like almost new, but the most exciting is the prices that you get at that location. A lot of decor items that you get on that store.
Absolutely. Yeah, I know you guys are hard at work there. Okay, so where can viewers learn more, or where can they start shopping today?
So you can go to the South Austin store, you can go to the North store, and you can also go to San Marcos store and the online, which is shopaustinrestore.com.
All right, sounds good to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shop online anytime at shopaustinrestore.com and support Central Texans on their path to home ownership. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by the Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore.